Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe here with Deranged. So, I love my Talon. Don't mind the dirty garage there, or the dirty garage there. That's the next project. That's gonna be amazing one day. One day. We'll get there. Today's project is right here. I'm gonna try to solve one of the annoying problems. One of the things that annoys me anyway about my Talon. So, if you have a Talon, you know, rocks will get kicked up here in this general area from the front tires, and you'll get chips and everything right here on your trailing arms. But also, I like to do a little bit of rock crawling, and when you're doing rock crawling with basically any trailing arm setup, sometimes your trailing arms become rock sliders. So I want to do something to protect my trailing arms from sliding on rocks, and then protect my paint, powder coat, all that other kind of stuff from the elements. So there are a couple options out there. I went with these over here, these Honda accessories Talon trailing arm guards. So I went with the ones that are from the manufacturer basically. Why did I go with them? Pretty simple. It's because they were on Rocky Mountain Off-Road and the easiest for me to get and a relatively cheap option. That's why I went with them. So in today's video, we're going to get those installed. I'll kind of show you how to install them, let you know if I run into any problems or issues, and then we'll kind of go from there. One thing I do want to bring up before we get into that, we are going to start installing more accessories on our machines, and likely some other machines as well. What I need from you, what we need from you, is to let us know what you think we should put on next to our rigs, whether it's my rig, Garrett's rig, Dave's rig, what you think we should put on next. Let's not get crazy. I would love to put a turbo on it. I would love to put the HCR long travel kit on it. I would love to put, what are they, internal bypass shocks from Shock Therapy on it. I'd love to do all that. A little out of the budget for now. Let's try to keep it under 1,000, but let us know in the comments below what accessories you would like to see next on the Honda Talon. So with that said, let's get this box open and see what we're looking at. So one of my favorite things about Honda accessories is they don't come with instructions. I got, I got the door panels on my Talon. Did not come with instructions. So I had to basically look it up. They give you a link to look it up, and we'll show you like a video and stuff. Personally, I'd rather just have like a piece of paper with 6 or 8 pictures telling me what to do rather than have to have a computer or a phone handy. That's just me, but you know, whatever. So if you get Honda accessories, expect not to get instructions. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. We've got 2 trailing arm guards. They are side specific because they have the Honda logo here. So this one should be the left side. That one's the right side, and then you got a little bit of hardware, and that's it. They must have done an update to the guards, because I've seen other ones that have different a different hardware setup for right here. It looks like they switched to, I'm guessing probably that. It's kind of what it looks like, but anyway, they switched to a different hardware setup. They're decent thickness. What is that, 1/4 inch? Maybe 3/8. Anyway, they look okay, so let's get them installed. Oh, and hey, before I get started, because I know somebody's going to mention in the comments, I went ahead, I had a bunch of rock chips like everybody else does down here, and some, you know, little rusty spots or whatever. So I went ahead and painted it, sprayed some paint on it down below just to protect it. I know it doesn't match. So just wanted to give everybody a heads up, it doesn't match. And if you're wondering if VHT, engine enamel high temperature paint from AutoZone, matches the Talon orange, it does not. Much more red. So anyway, just figured I'd do that little disclaimer so I don't get any comments. So now that I'm sitting here looking at this, there's no need for instructions in this one really. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't, but I don't know. To me, it's stupid simple. So they've actually have updated the design since the ones I saw last. I'll show you. So this pops up right here, and this is where it'd be good to have a extra set of hands. So one of the pieces, this one right here, that metal piece goes behind that screw there, and then that screw goes right up in it and secures it there. It kind of turns, secures it there. It kind of turns sideways in there and then secures it on the inside of that. So that's one of your brackets. And then let me set this up here real quick. So this thing goes right here. And then I'm not sure I like this design. I mean, it is kind of easy, I guess, but basically, this clamps under here, and then you tighten it. Sorry, there we go. This clamps under here to hold it up, and then you tighten it by adjusting this bolt right here. So you hold it up against the bottom. So stupid easy install, to be honest. So I don't know, let me get on it and we'll see what it looks like. Maybe this isn't as easy as I said it was. Sometimes. I think you actually leave this on and you jam it up in there and it catches itself. We're about to find out, huh? What do we got on the end of there now? Oh yeah, that's biting. All right, let's put this other bracket on. This fits up under here like this, and it's got this little piece on the bottom to push it up and hold it tight to the body. Go like that. Go like that. And there's my little 10 mil. Of course, it's a 10 mil like everything else is. And it does have on there a little lock nut on there, whatever, for you to be able to lock it down. So. All right. As every dad would say, that's not going anywhere. Lock that down. Sometimes the best tool for the job is the tool you got. Am I right? Am I right? Lock down here. Okay, I think we're good there. Let's get a little more tight on this. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's get the other side done real quick. That's good. Okay, now that everything's installed, let's take a look at what's actually protected, huh? So they're not super long. You're not going to hit anything right here on your trailing arm, and hopefully you guys can see from that angle. So they start right about here, which is about, I don't know, 8 inches, 10 inches back from the start of the trailing arm. And then they've got you protected back to the tire. So anything that you're going to hit, anything that you're going to drag on as far as rock crawling and everything else, they've got you protected. So it's cool. One thing I did notice is they're not super far away or super tight right here on the fender. So if you're splashing through water and everything else, this is going to fill up. but there is a drain hole right here for in the middle where there's like a little bump on your trailing arm. And then they also, you know, it could drain out the back if you needed it to. Quality seems real nice. Fit obviously seems real nice. They are Honda accessories, so I hope they would fit real nice. Installation, stupid easy. Like I said, I'm not sure it even needs instructions. If you were having trouble with this one, then you're welcome. It was super easy. So one more thing. So I was talking about accessories on our rigs. One place, or the place that I got these, was Rocky Mountain. So you would help us, me, Dave, Garrett, out big time if you were to, anytime you need parts for your machine, you don't have to buy them directly from us. Go to the link below to Rocky Mountain ATVMC. If you go to that link, you'll get the same awesome prices, shipping, everything else. But you'll also be helping out our channel because we will get kind of a little kickback from Rocky Mountain for sending you over there. So same great prices, doesn't cost you any more. All it does is help us and help us to you know, create additional content. So for those of you who are subscribers, we appreciate it. It's awesome. So we enjoy making this content. We enjoy this process with you guys. We enjoy interacting with you on Facebook, on the comment section below, everywhere else. So it is, like I said, a lot of fun for us. Two more things, or one more thing. We do have some new apparel on the site as well, so check that out. Just derangedoffroad.com, you can find our apparel there. So if you want to pick something up, awesome. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you have any comments, or tell us what you think about the Honda ones below. If there are accessories you would like us to check out, like I said, leave a comment below and let us know which accessories you'd like us to check out, even if we already have them. I have these lighted mirrors back here. They're on the list of things that we're going to replace. Even if we already have them, we're going to switch them out and do reviews on them and stuff like that. So, and let you know what we think about them. I will do a follow-up short on these trailing arms the next time I go rock crawling. Like, you know, look for it in the community posts or whatever, to tell you what I think of them. I'm not going to do like a full video review of the rock sliders, but I'll let you know what I think of them in the community section, or YouTube shorts or whatever. So that's it, guys. Appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do it. Ride safe, pack out what you pack in, and we'll see you on the next one.
I'm just gonna say it, This isn't what we wanted. We never thought that it would come to this. And I'm just gonna say it, You never really knew me. Stop pretending that you wanted to. Well, I'm just a man, flesh and blood. All I need is real love. Your ticket price is too damn high. I don't play with guns, 'cause bullet holes still remain. That don't mean I've changed. Bullet holes still remain. That don't mean I've changed. That don't mean I've changed. That don't mean I've changed.